Drivers are ready. We'll count 3, 2, 1. Fight. Oh, hold. Stop.
The one in Calgary is I hit it just to make sure. It's like, I'm ready. Sorry. Weekend's unready. Get tapped in again.
We'll start again. 3, 2, 1. Fight. Super Nintendo getting up to speed, totally weaving his way over there like a snake. Just the slightest touch on Chalmers sends him into the wall and ricocheting all over the place. He's trying to get it under control, but while you're spinning up, you can't really direct it. It's not in proper control. You see that light. That light tells him which direction is forward, and if it's not sitting in one place, it means that it's going haywire, and you basically can't control it. So every time that totally is touching him there, and you can see hit after hit, making it very difficult for Super Nintendo Chalmers to try and stop, direct themselves around. Oh, hard hit there as totally pushes him into the blue hazard, and it did something. I don't know if it knocked out electronics or skewed the body or what, but 2, 1, and it's a knockout, so the win goes to Totally Not a FingerTech kit. Congratulations.